You are welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I want to teach you how to sharpen clipper blade. Can you see it? This clipper blade, this set of clipper blade. I want to show you now. I want to give you a tutorial how you can sharpen it. I will show you now. Let's go into the field. Yeah, this is the testing after the clipper blade has been sharpened correctly, logically correctly, technically okay. This is the testing. Now, can you see? When you sharpen the clipper blade correctly, perfectly, logically correctly, okay, systematically, this is how you are going to test it and work. Yeah, let's go into the field now. This is how it started. This is the starting of the tutorial how to sharpen the clipper blade. Yeah, now I have removed the clipper blade from the clipper. I'm now cleaning the upper and the bottom blade to make it neat. Yeah, I put it on the sharpening stone. After I now putting the masking tape for easy grading, applying of the treatment on top of the super hard manual sharpening stone. Can you see it? See the way I position the upper blade at the angle of 40, at the angle of 40. Can you see? This is to and fro, front and back movement in sharpening of the clipper blade. Yeah, let's check how it looks like. I'm trying to clean it so that I can be able to see the reading inside very well. Can you see? See the inner part of the clipper blade. Can you see? Yeah. Let's go into the bottom blade. That is how I position. Can you see? I position it at the angle of 40 degree. 40 degree. Can you see? See the way I position my thumb. Try to monitor the way I am doing it, so that when you are practicing, you can be able to get it right. I've sharpened the first side. That is to and fro 30 times. To and fro 30 times. Now let us look at the inside, the inner surface of the clipper blade. Look at the shining part, the where I am touching with the pointer. The shining part, that is the part the stone has been sharpened now. The shining area I am using the pointer to touch. Try to watch it carefully. Look at the back too. I used to tell you the sharpening starts immediately after the two holes. The sharpening starts immediately after the two holes. Can you see the shining in front of the two holes? Can you see from the left hand side towards the right hand side by the button for the upper side? But when you look at it from the center to the right hand side, you will see the black area. The stone has not touched that area. I want to re-put it on the stone now to sharpen the other side. Yeah, can you see the place I'm touching? Yeah, the area I'm touching last now is the area I want to sharpen. Try to monitor very well. See the place I'm touching. Then look at the way I want to place my thumb on it. Can you see it? That is to and fro movements, front and back movement in sharpening of the clipper blade. Try to follow it and master it very well. You know the way to position your thumb. Yeah, this counting is 30 times. Let us watch the inside of the clipper blade now. Can you see the inner part of it from the left hand side to the right hand side at the front? Then let us watch from the left hand side to the right hand side at the back where I position my pointer. Can you see? That is where the sharpening have just started. This clipper blade have been sharpened correctly now. Can you see how the inner surface be? When you sharpen, you can be able to study the inner surface of the clipper blade you have sharpened, whether it is sharpened correctly or it's not sharpened correctly. Let's go further now. Can you see the upper blade, the inner surface of it, the front and the back? Look at the bottom blade. This is the upper blade. Can you see the inner part of it, how it looks like when it's sharpened correctly? Look at the bottom blade. See the way it's shining. Now I want to put the upper blade on top of the bottom blade. Can you see the way I position it? I will see the way I hold it. I will now be dragging the upper blade from left hand side to the right hand side. Be dragging it for some time, so that when I open it, I can be able to see the sign I want inside it. Let us look at it now. Can you see the carbon from the left hand side to the right hand side of the clipper blade? Look at the damper too. Likewise, the bottom blade. Can you see from the left hand side to the right hand side for the upper side and the back? Can you see it? That is the way a real professional is supposed to be sharpening clipper blade. See the two. When you can sharpen your clipper blade and you can get this type of sign, which means you are a real professional. I have removed the masking tape at the back. I want to treat it first. I want to make sure I clean the inner part of the upper blade and the bottom blade. Can you see the upper and the bottom blade? I've cleaned it properly. Now after this one, now let us watch. I want to mount it into the clipper mount. Can you see it? I've mounted it into the clipper mount. Now I've arranged it well. I've serugap it. Now I'm now treating it, putting the chemical by the side of the clipper blade to make sure all the carbons, the iron, small particles of the iron are removed. Now I'm now serugapping on the gap. I've treated it finish. I'm trying to clean it very well, make it neat again. Now listen to the force of this clipper. The force now come down than a new clipper blade. Now I want to test it. Can you see the way I'm testing it? Can you see it? That is the normal way and correct way to test clipper blade when I sharpen it finish. Can you see it? Look at it now. When you sharpen your clipper blade correctly, technically, logically, perfectly okay. When you serugap it, that is for the skin. Then you adjust your adjusted lever to the center again. That is middle skin. Then when you adjust it to the last part, the last adjunction, then you test it again. That is for first skin. Yeah, please subscribe to this channel for you to be able to see more and more of my video. Please subscribe. Look at this video, down part of it, you see subscribe, press it.